Hello guys, today we're going to see about the VIM editor command. VIM editor command is mainly used in the Linux, or here we are watching it for the RHEL 7. VIM is a editor command to create or edit a text file. There are another commands also like cat and all, but from that we can't use various commands inside that one to explicit easily, so that we are going to see this editor vim editor commands. It's very essential for the one. So here is the first one. Vim is a editor to create or edit the text file. And there are various points which I've mentioned over here. There are two modes of VIM. One is the command mode and another is the insert mode. If we are talking about the command mode, then user can move around the file, or it can delete also file, or it will be easier for textual also. And for the inserting the text, we will use the insert mode. Insert mode, whenever you are going in the for the insert mode, just press I button, I, and just go from outside in the command mode. Then just press the escape button once again, and you will be in the command mode. If you want to change the mode from one to another, it's very important. I just told you that how to go from command mode to the insert mode, or like insert mode to command mode. Here the types is also written over there. See this details. uh, just note it down, these details. And after that we're going to see the text entry commands. It's very important, because the shortcut keys, whenever you know, it will be very beneficial for you. So to append the text following current position, cursor position, that for that small a is used. Small capital A is used to append the text to the end of the current line. I is for the for inserting the text, and capital I is inserting text at the beginning of the cursor line. It's very much important. There are difference in between this one. Like that one, there is also difference in small o and capital O. Small is O is for open up a new line following the current line and add the text over there, and the capital O is for the open up a new line in front of a current line and add the text over there. So it will be very essential things. There are some commands which can be used only in the command mode. So we're going to see that commands. These are following commands which you are going to see in the only in the command mode. So here's the current some cursor movements. For the cursor movements, there are also shortcut keys we can use. H is the key to move the cursor one character just left, and for the one character right to the right, L command is used. K command is used to move the cursor up on the line, one line just. And for the down line, we can use the J command. These are also essential commands, but it's a normal one. We can use that commands. For the backward, we can use this one. For the one page front side, yeah, we can use this one. Um, Up half and down half, very much commands are there. After that, just note it down all these commands. These are also very essential commands. All the commands I am going to cover, it's very much essential commands for VIM, and VIM is too vast as compared to the normal one. It contains very much commands, and if you are hands on the commands, then you can do any coding. And also next we will going to see the exit commands. For the exiting the VIM, what various commands are used? That one. For write and quit, we can use the WQ. Just colon it, press the shift and colon, and just write the WQ. It will write and save the file and quit also. Just for the forcefully uh, quiet, we can use this one. This indicates this indicates that we are going to forcefully shut it, means just quiet it. So colon q and that one. After that, only for quitting, yeah, there a warning will be given printed over there. Then we can use this one, colon q. Z is just for the save workspace and quite the editor. It's just like the WQ also. And after that, we'll see about the text deletion command, which are the commands we write. But after that, if we found that it's not the correct one, so we can't use the like backspace and all. There, there are some another commands. This is the key. X to delete the character. DW to delete word from the cursor on. Wherever the cursor is, it can delete it. Delete word backward, just here front line, here the back line. DB DD for it will delete the whole line. Wherever the cursor is, it will delete the whole line. And if we say 5DD, it will delete the 5 lines from the cursor. Here is the yak. It's just to copy. Why? For the copying, we can use YY, and for the pasting, we can use PP or just like P also. Note that this one. For the file manipulation, we can use these commands. Like for W, it's or write the workspace to original file. It's the same. Is for having a file start editing a new file. It can read the content of the file to the workspace directly. Is some another useful command. Just go through that command. It will be very beneficial for you. Here is some example. uh, File opening or creating the new file. How we can use that VIM. Here's the first step, that first write the VIM followed by the file name, whichever we want to create the file. And just for the insert purpose, we have to go in the type the I key, and we will be in the insert mode. After the third step is enter the text, whatever you want to do, the what a textual language, this our text over there. And after that, hit the escape button, and just now have a shift colon WQ for write also and save also. This is very simple to use. Is some another editing commands. Just go through that one. So here we have seen all these commands, editing commands, opening commands, how to delete it, how to copy it, how to paste it, various types of another commands, insert mode and command mode in the VIM. It will be very beneficial for you. Just go through all these one. Turn the like if you do like, just like it, or else if you want to see our videos, next our videos, then just subscribe our channel. Till then, have a nice day.